Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is our class 4 of a chapter 7, that is triangles. So in this class 4, which topic is some properties of a triangles. So in which class we are going mainly to study about the properties of a triangle, their proof and their some theoretical part. So first of all, the properties of a triangles in theory, if we study, is first one, that is the sum of all the angles, the sum of all the angles of a triangle of all types, which may be classification basis of sides or an angle, it doesn't matter, but the sum of all angles of a triangle of all types is equal to 180 degree. B, the sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Means if we make a diagram here of triangle ABC, means if angle, this is side A, this is side C and this is side B, then A plus B is always greater than C side. In the same manner, B plus C is greater than A and C plus A is greater than B. Third property, that is in the same manner, in the same way, difference between the two sides of all the two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That means A minus B is less than C, B minus C is less than A and C minus A is less than, difference here mentioned difference, not a negative, it's only a difference between two, not a subtraction. So you have to understand difference, main difference between a difference and a subtraction. D, the side opposite the greater angle is the longest side of all the three sides of a triangle. Means if the triangle having a angle high, then in the same way the side is also a longest. Means greater the angle, longer the side opposite to it. Next one is E, the exterior angle. The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles this property of a triangle is called and exterior angle property. So what we have understand? We have understand the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the. If we make a diagram here, if this is the exterior angle, then this is equals to this and this angle sum. Means exterior is always the sum of the one or two opposite angle to it. Next one is F. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles of both triangle are congruent and the lengths of their side are proportional. Means a triangle are said to be similar if they are congruent, if their corresponding angles are congruent means same, but the side is in proportional. Now the next one is EFG, that is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equals to half base into height. H is the perimeter of triangle. Is sum of all three sides. What is? It is the sum of all three sides. Next is in the properties we are going to study about the triangles related formula. Means a formula that we must know when we study about triangles. First one is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is the region occupied by a triangle in a two-dimensional plane. The dimension of the area is square unit. Formula is equals to half into base into height. This is the formula of the area of a triangle. And what is our area? We are mentioned in our definition. Next one is semi-perimeter. Next is semi perimeter, that is semi perimeter of a triangle is half of the perimeter of a triangle, that is S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Next one is last but not the least is the Heron's formula. That is A is equals to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So these are the mainly properties of a triangle that are mentioned in a theoretical part. Now the next one that we are going to study is the main topic of this triangle, that is angle sum property. Means in a property we are now only reading about the theory part. Now its part coming, that is the most important and very useful part, that is angle sum property. So angle sum property, that is the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let us prove this theorem. First of all, we have to make a diagram of a triangle. For a provement, we have to make this line also, that is parallel to this line. Here it has angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So for proof, we are writing here like if two lines are equal, then angle 3 by parallel lines, angle 3 is equals to angle 4 by alternate angle. In the same manner, angle 1 is equals to angle 5 by alternate angle. But angle 5 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree, as they are made adjacent angles on a straight line. So on a place of 5 and 4 we can put 3 and 1, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. On the place of 5 we have right angle 1, on the place of 4 we have angle right, that is 180 degree. So hence prove that the sum of all angles equals to 180 degree. Understand? Next one is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So theory part tells us if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Means if we make a diagram of it, like this is a triangle, so this exterior angle is the sum of two interior opposite angles. Means exterior is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Hence proved. Next one, if we doing some question, that is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio. There is one question that is the angles of the triangle are in the ratio, that is 4:5:6. Find the angles. Find the angles. What we have understand by the property, that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So let us let the ratio of angles are 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equals to 180 degree. We have taken variable x because the ratio is given. So 15x is equals to 180 degree. Therefore x is equals to 180 by 15, that is 1 to 12 degree. X is equals to 12 degree. So the angles are 4x, that is 12 4s are 4 into 12, that is 48. Next one 5x, that is 5 into 12, that is 60 degree. And the last but the longest, that is 5 into 12, that is 6 into 12, 72. Understand, you can also tell by the seeing the angles that it is an acute angle triangle, because all the angles are less than 90 degree. Understand? So here we completed our fourth topic or fourth class, that is the properties of a triangle. So now we are meet you soon in our class 5th, that is more criteria for the congruence of a triangle. In this class 4, that is properties of a triangle, we have learned the properties in the form of a theory as well as a proof. The main two properties are the angle sum property and the third one the exterior angle property. The angle sum properties tells us that the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is, that is 180 degree, and the exterior angle property shows that the exterior angle is always equals to the opposite interior angle sum. So here is the end of our class 4, that is properties of a triangle. Meet you soon in our class 5. Thank you so much for this class.